Have you ever dreamt of having your favorite cafe right in the comfort of your own home? Here's why you need to invest in an espresso machine. It's the ultimate game changer for all your coffee brewing needs. First, what exactly is espresso, and how is it different from regular coffee? Espresso is made by forcing pressurized, near boiling water through finely ground coffee beans to create 1 or 2 ounces of concentrated coffee, which is much more creamy, dense, and flavorful than regular coffee made with the common drip method. When it comes to coffee making, the espresso machine is considered the more complex yet effective way to extract the most flavor and aroma from coffee beans. Who has time to wait in line at a coffee shop every morning? By having your own espresso coffee machine, you'll breeze through your morning routine with ease. No more rushing or compromising on taste. Simply start your day by grinding your favorite beans, tamping the ground coffee into the portafilter, and hitting the start button. Under a minute, you'll be sipping on a heavenly cup of joe. Plus, think about all the time and money you'll save in the long run. It's a win-win situation. Get ready to unleash your inner coffee artist. An espresso machine gives you endless opportunities to explore and experiment with different flavors and techniques. Want to try a velvety smooth latte or a frothy cappuccino? How about a flavorful macchiato or a rich Americano? With this machine by your side, you'll have the freedom to recreate your favorite coffee shop beverages or even invent your own unique creations. The only limit is your imagination. An espresso machine will transform your home into a trendy cafe where you'll entertain your friends over beautiful coffee creations. Whether it's a brunch or a cozy evening with loved ones, your espresso machine will be the heart of the conversation. Think about how much you spend on buying coffee every month. Adds up, doesn't it? You'll probably be saving about $1,500 a year by making your own at home. In another video, I explain in detail the math behind the savings. Check it out at the link in the description. And there you have it, my fellow coffee enthusiasts. Investing in an espresso machine is more than just a purchase. It's an immersive experience that brings the cafe culture directly to your home. Trust me, the fun, convenience, and endless possibilities are worth every penny. So go ahead and spoil yourself with the magic of a personal espresso machine. Your taste buds and your friends will thank you.